All right, guys, I'm going to do a how to use beard oil. And why do we use beard oil? Because we want to get that oil and it's for your skin, not for your hair. And what's that going to do for you? That is going to keep your skin nourished underneath. You're not going to get that dry, flaky skin. You're not going to get beard dandruff. That's the number one reason why we use it, and to give your skin all those nutrients and vitamins and keep it going. So first off, what you want to do is you want to get your beard oil, and then you're going to put it in your hand. Now, it's going to depend on how long your beard is as to how much beard oil you're going to use. Most of the time, I use right about 2 dropperfuls. I do have a long beard. Now, something to remember, we're going to take this and we're going to warm it up in our hand. Let's get that warmed up. Let's get it going. We get warmed up. Now, the other thing that's very important is when we put it in the beard, we don't want to use our fingernails because we don't want to cheese grate our skin. So you're going to work it in, get it down to the roots, get it down to the skin, get on top, get underneath. We need to get that beard oil everywhere so it does its job, keeps you non-itchy, and keeps that dreaded beard dandruff away because we all hate that beard dandruff. So beard oil is going to do the trick for you. Now, once I have it in, okay, look at the hands, it's gone. And if you do have some excess on your hands, I like to put it in my actual hair. It's good for the hair too. So now that we've got it like that, next step is I'm going to take my boar's hair brush and I want to get it all in there. Make sure that that product went in there. The boar's head is going to actually stimulate the skin underneath and hopefully get that beard oil in there. Now, after that, I like to take my Chicago comb and I like to work it in there like that. There we go. And now, you can after this, if you use a heated brush or if you use a blow dryer, whatever one you do, you can use heat now because you've got that oil in there and that oil is going to protect that hair because we don't want to get breakage from heat. So anyway, hopefully this helped you out. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, Tactical Santa, order is for life.